In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in HubSpot. Let's get started by heading to the HubSpot website and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard. This is your control center, and everything we need is a couple of clicks away. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions to create and send invoices so you don't hit any snags. Next, move up to the top navigation and open either Commerce or Sales depending on how your menu is labeled in your workspace. From there, choose Invoices. This area is where you can create, track, and manage all of your billing. If you're switching between hubs or workspaces, just confirm you're in the right one so your customer and product data appear as expected. Now click Create Invoice. HubSpot will prompt you to choose the customer or company you want to bill. Start typing to search your CRM. If the contact or company isn't in your database yet, you can add a new record on the spot so the invoice is tied to the right profile from the beginning. With the recipient selected, it's time to add what you're charging for. Click Add Line Item. You can pull in products or services from your product library for consistency, or create a new one if it's something custom. Enter the product or service name, the quantity, and the price. If you're offering a discount, add it here. Keep an eye on how discounts are applied so the totals reflect exactly what you agreed on with the customer. Now set the invoice details. Add or confirm the invoice number, choose the invoice date, and set the due date that matches your payment terms. Select the payment method you'll accept for this invoice. This should align with what you've enabled in your HubSpot payment settings. If there are any special notes, delivery details, or terms your customer needs to see, add them in the Notes or Terms section so everything is clear and documented on the invoice itself. Before sending, click Preview to see exactly what your customer will receive. Review the recipient information, line items, subtotals, discounts, taxes if applicable, and the due date. Make sure the formatting looks clean and your branding appears correctly. A careful preview helps avoid back and forth later. When everything looks good, click Send Invoice. HubSpot will deliver it to your customer by email, and they'll be able to view and pay the invoice online using the methods you've enabled. That's it. Your invoice is created and on its way.